What if the brain already possesses the tools to fight Alzheimer's disease and we've just figured out how to switch them on? This isn't science fiction. It's a new discovery that could fundamentally change how we treat this devastating condition. Alzheimer's disease affects millions of people across the globe, a slow and relentless process that chips away at what makes us who we are. One of the main culprits is the buildup of toxic amyloid-β plaques. Imagine these as sticky, destructive clumps that form between your brain cells, your neurons. They disrupt the vital communication network that underpins your thoughts, emotions, and memories. As these plaques accumulate, neural signals weaken, pathways fade, and precious memories begin to vanish. The brain, once a vibrant city of light, slowly dims. For decades, the scientific community has been locked in a battle against these plaques, with nearly all efforts focused on the neurons themselves. Researchers designed drugs and therapies aimed at protecting these cells or clearing the plaques directly. Billions of dollars were invested, and countless hours were spent in labs around the world. But despite this monumental effort, progress has been painfully slow. Treatments often failed, offering little more than a temporary pause in the disease's progression. It led to a frustrating question: were we missing a crucial piece of the puzzle? What if, after all this time, scientists were looking at the wrong cells entirely? Then came a breakthrough that shifted the entire landscape. Researchers at Baylor College of Medicine turned their attention away from the neurons and toward their often overlooked neighbors, the astrocytes. These star-shaped cells were traditionally seen as simple support staff for the brain, providing nutrients and structural integrity. But this new research revealed they could be so much more. The scientists discovered that astrocytes have the potential to act as a powerful internal cleanup crew, capable of tackling the very plaques that cause so much damage. They weren't just support cells, they were potential saviors, hiding in plain sight. The key to unlocking this hidden potential lies within a single protein, a genetic switch known as SOX9. Think of it as an activation code for the brain's janitorial staff. By boosting the levels of SOX9 within astrocytes, the researchers were able to supercharge them. The astrocytes transformed, becoming larger, more complex, and more active. They extended their cellular arms and began to do something remarkable. They actively sought out, engulfed, and digested the toxic amyloid plaques, effectively removing the harmful buildup from the brain's environment. The brain's own support system was turned into an elite cleaning force. The results in animal studies were nothing short of astonishing. The researchers tested this approach on mice that were specifically bred to develop Alzheimer's-like symptoms, including significant plaque buildup and memory deficits. After activating the SOX9 pathway, they observed a dramatic drop in the amount of amyloid plaque in the animals' brains. Even more exciting, their cognitive functions improved. Mice that had shown clear signs of memory loss started performing better in maze tests, demonstrating that their memories were recovering. This wasn't just about slowing down the damage, it was about reversing it. The brain didn't just endure the attack, it fought back. This discovery is so important because it challenges the decades-long neuron-centric view of Alzheimer's treatment. It suggests that instead of only trying to protect neurons from the outside, we might be able to empower the brain to heal itself from within. This new approach opens up a completely new avenue for therapeutic development, one that leverages the brain's own natural defense systems to preserve and even restore cognitive function. It's a paradigm shift, moving from defense to active, internal cleanup. Of course, it's crucial to approach this with cautious optimism. These groundbreaking results are from animal models, and what works in mice doesn't always translate directly to humans. Much more research is needed to confirm if this same mechanism can be safely and effectively triggered in the human brain. But the hope this discovery offers is undeniable. If this powerful, astrocyte-driven cleanup process can be harnessed in people, the future of Alzheimer's treatment could be completely transformed. Science is showing us that the most powerful tool for healing the brain might have been inside it all along. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, consider subscribing for more stories from the cutting edge of science.